In our vending machine, there is a button, Contact Us. In this video, I will show you how to set this button. Use your back-end system, enter setting. Long click machine ID for 5 seconds. Insert the code. Now we enter into the app setting. Click this config. Manage the button at the right side. Contact Us. Turn it on. Save. And now I'll show you how to set this contact information. You need to log in our PC server and click here. Info. Configuration. From here you can insert the contact name and phone number. Submit. Then it will go to the machine.